Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is my sixth video on the same topic, that is communication and information technology from India Yearbook chapter number 8. Okay, India Yearbook 2020. So this topic is very much helpful for the student who are preparing for civil services, for state civil services, for various competitive exams. You might be knowing I have told in every video that this topic is very much important. I can't skip a single word from this chapter. Some chapters are very much important from India Yearbook, and you have to regularly update those topics. So without wasting time, let's start. So earlier we have gone through, we have I have made 5 videos. Now this is the sixth one. So now the philately. Here you can see the word philately. It is the hobby of collecting stamps as well as study of postal history and other related items. So hobby of collecting stamp is philately. Also study of postal history and other related items is also known as philately. Okay, so I'm coming to the main point here, skipping those. So in keeping with their dual character as token of postage and cultural cultural ambassador, there are two categories of stamp. Okay, definitive and commemorative postage stamp. Now what is the definitive postage stamp? Are meant for day to day use as a token of payment of postage on mail article, जो हम regularly use करते हैं, तो people we regularly use that type of stamps, they are categorized as definitive postage stamp. Okay, on the other hand, the commemorative postage stamps are designed and printed with the greater aesthetic inputs. They are manufactured in limited quantities and generate great interest among philatelists and collectors. Okay, so that is the thing. Then the National Philatelic Museum, Dak Bhavan, is at New Delhi. Okay, so National Philatelic Museum, Dak Bhavan, is at New Delhi. Okay, then release of stamp. So 49 issues, a total 49 issues were released during April 2018 to March 2019. Okay, so the various significant commemorations were 150th birth anniversary. Okay, 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Goa Theatre, that is Goa Musical Theatre, World Environment Day, which is today's 5 June. Okay, and Communal Harmony, Odisha Men's Hockey World Cup 2018. This is important, huh? Odisha Men's Hockey World Cup 2018. Holiday destination in India, Patna University, Hill Forts of Rajasthan, and fashion, Indian fashion through ages. Now again, my stamps are personalized shades of postage stamp of India Post. Okay, you have a thumbnail photograph image of customer, logos, institution, or image of artwork, heritage building, famous part, tourist placed, historical cities, wildlife, other animals and birds, etc. Okay, then personalized my stamp. So here you can opt for printing their own parents family pictures to be printed. So Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Mysore Palace, Indian Army, Rose, Happy Anniversary, then Vaishno Devi. So these are the personalized theme the customer may opt. Okay, then customized my stamp. So personalized sheet of postage stamp wherein the corporates, organization, and institution can get customized sheet printed on the India Post. So big industries, big MNC companies, they always go for this. Okay, printing of their logo, images of their organization, institution printed. Then 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So 25 postal administration across the world release stamp to mark 158. 25 postal administration across the world Okay, 158th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Then, so as I told you, Orissa Men's Hockey World Cup. So Hockey World Cup held at Bhubaneswar. Okay, so that you should remember. So then hill forts of Rajasthan, already I told you miniature sheet was issued. Miniature sheet were issued on the hill forts of Rajasthan in the shape of logo of UNESCO. UNESCO's, okay, as the hill forts are UNESCO's World Heritage Site. So who declare World Heritage Site? It is another question. It is UNESCO declares the World Heritage Site. Then crowdsourcing stamp design. So it is people centric theme. Okay, there was a stamp design competition for designing postage on people centric theme. Okay, then the another important Deen Dayal Sparsh Yojana. Now nobody can imagine that Sparsh Yojana is related to somewhat stamps. Okay, that is more important. That the Sparsh Yojana is related to stamp. Nobody can imagine. Now what is the long form of Sparsh? So firstly, it is again named on Deen Dayal sir. Now Sparsh, okay, so it is scholarship for promotion of aptitude and research in STEM. This is important. What is the long form of Sparsh? Number one, it is scholarship for promotion of aptitude and research in STEM. Secondly, what is to which field this Sparsh Yojana is related? It is related to philately scholarship. Okay, so it is related to philately scholarship. So it was introduced in 2017-18. Okay, philately among the children at young age. So the students from the class 6 to 9th can participate in this competition. Okay, then dhai akhar, this is dhai akshar or dhai akhar, letter writing. So it was again introduced in 2017-18. So this Deen Dayal Sparsh Yojana and Dhai Akhar both are introduced in 2017-18. More important. So top 3 entries in each category. There are total 4 categories awarded national level. The theme for 2018-19 theme. Okay, it was Letter to My Motherland, inspired by the popular Tagore song Amar Deshar Mati. The theme for 2019 is Dear Bapu, You Are Immortal, inspired by Albert Einstein homage to Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so this is more important. Again, I am going to mark what are the important points till now, what we have covered. So coming back, so again philately is what? It is the hobby of collecting stamp. Okay, and also study of postal history. Then what are the types of postage stamp? So there are two types. One is definitive and other is commemorative postage stamp. So definitive stamp which are used day to day, okay, or whereas commemorative stamps are designed and printed with the input they are manufactured in limited quantities. Okay, then National Philatelic Museum is at Dak Bhavan, New Delhi. Okay, so these are the new points. Earlier this point was not there. Then one more is 49 related to 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Then Goa Musical Theatre, that is Goa Theatre, that is the word. World Environment Day. Then Communal Harmony. Then Odisha's Men Hockey World Cup 2018. It have held at Bhubaneswar. Okay. Then Hills of Forts of Rajasthan by UNESCO declared as UNESCO site. Okay, then coming to the next point. So again, the celebration of birth anniversary. Okay, it is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, 150 birth anniversary across the world. 25 means 25 world countries have released stamp to mark 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, then again, more important, this is most important. What? Deen Dayal Sparsh Yojana. What is the long form of Sparsh? Scholarship for Promotion of Aptitude and Research in STEM as a hobby. It was introduced in 2017-18 for students from 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th every year can participate in this competition, whereas Dhai Akhar letter writing. So it is again more important. It has been introduced in 2017-18 to encourage encourage and promote letter writing. So it is basically a letter writing competition, but name is given Dhai Akhar. Okay, so the theme for 2018-19 was Letter to My Motherland, inspired by Tagore song Amar Desher Mati, and theme for 2019-20 is Dear Bapu, You Are Immortal, inspired by Albert Einstein's homage to Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so this is more important. Then some institutes related to their training is given. So one is this one, that is Raknpa at Ghaziabad. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai, you might be knowing this name. National Postal Academy at Ghaziabad is the apex training institute for the department. Okay, then the academy conducts executive development program, EDP, management development program, MDP, advanced development program, ADP. Okay, then the postal training centers, PTC, are functioning at Darbhanga, Guwahati, Madurai, Mysore and Saharanpur and Vadodara. Okay, only this much is important, rest you don't have to go for this. So social media sale is there, so Twitter figure, let it be. Then helpline center, it is important, Indian Post Help Center. Okay, India Post Help Center is 1924 calls, it is a call center number. Okay, with interactive voice response system at Varanasi. It was established at Varanasi on 1st June 2018. Okay, so this is 1924, important, this is the new thing. Then Digital Life Center information. So this was all about, one more thing is there, Digital Life Certificate, that is Jeevan Praman Digital Life Certificate. Jeevan Praman is a biometric, okay, is a biometric enabled digital service for pensioner, so that they should every month they should have to be they are alive, it should be known. So it was introduced in 2015. Okay, by using submitted by using Aadhaar number. Okay, so this was all about the post offices. Then in next lecture we are going to check out the information technology, as you can see here. So friends, please give like, put your comments in comment box, and also what we say, share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. And let me tell you my dear friends, it is not easy to go through India yearbook. For a new beginner it takes at least 3 to 4 years to understand what this book exactly wants, and nobody, it as it is published in February and your exam is in the month of May ending or June, it's not possible to read anyway. Okay, so this is the drawback, that's why I'm making this video, to make it easy for you people to understand what is India yearbook. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and hope again you will like, put comment, share this video and subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Thank you.